Hey collectors, here is a look at the head sculpts for Wolverine and a customized head sculpt for Deadpool. Their bodies and these figures are based on what Hasbro did for the Deadpool and Wolverine series. And I would like to thank Dad Bud's Customs for the head sculpt of Ryan Reynolds as Wade. First off, we have the head sculpt for Hugh Jackman as Logan or Wolverine and how you can see him in the film. And as like the other releases for the Marvel Legends bodied, he is superposable with extra sets of hands with his claws retracted. Here is the backside of the figure and the details are also present like what you can see in the film. Although you can say some highlights are lacking, but with this level of sculpting, Hasbro is stepping up their action figure designs. This is by far the best version for the head sculpt of Hugh Jackman. And Hasbro has been improving the way they interpret the actor's likeness in plastic. Now we have Deadpool. And like all other Marvel Legends figure, he is also superposable and a lot of details are incorporated with this figure made by Hasbro. And again, the customized head sculpt is from Dad Bud's Customs and it captures the likeness of Ryan Reynolds portraying Wade in the film. It's too bad that Hasbro hasn't released their own version, but with this one, I'm already satisfied how it looks like on the figure. Here is the backside of the figure, and again, all the details that you may see in the film are present with this version of Deadpool. And also, the head sculpt has those mini details that you can see in the film. Here is a closer look at the head sculpt done by Dad Bods. You can search and buy this online at Shopee. And hopefully he still have stocks for this. Too bad that Hasbro hasn't released their version of Wade's head sculpt without the mask. Because of all the articulation that Hasbro gave each of these figures, you can put them in some action poses. But again, I don't suggest you leaving them in your display without any action figure support or a little nudge, and definitely these figures would fall down. Now we have what I consider the best head sculpts from different companies. First up, we have the Ryan Reynolds head sculpt custom by Dad Bods for Deadpool or Wade. Then we have the In Art, the Dark Knight Christian Bale Batman head sculpt, followed by the Henry Cavill version of Manipul Studios. And finally, we have Hugh Jackman by Hasbro. And I consider them the best likeness to the actors that portrayed these characters. And even though we can't get them all in one film, we have them in plastic form. I hope Hasbro would continue this kind of consistency with the likeness for their head sculpts. And for size comparison, here they are with He-Man and Faker from the Cartoon Collection line Masters of the Universe by Mattel. With Batman from the Dark Knight trilogy Christian Bale by Modoking Model Kit and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With Lock Up from Batman the Animated Series by McFarlane Toys and Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. With Megatron from the Transformers Mini YOLO Park and Steve Rogers, Captain America from Endgame by Hasbro. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.